is J.R. Shaw coming to you with Minutes of Motivation on Monday. I decided to come to you this morning in nature. I'm surrounded by trees. I'm surrounded by the sound of cicadas. I'm surrounded by water and bricks. I'm surrounded by nature, which is a good time to reflect. It's time for you to begin to think about those things that the last 8 months produced. We have 4 more months left in this year. The season is about to change. The trees are an indication to me this morning that the season is about to change. The leaves are falling on some of the trees. The color is changing. Not only is the season changing for the trees, but beloved, the season is also changing for you. I want you to begin to declare and decree that my season of lack is over. My season of frustration is over. My season of challenges is over. My season of going through is over. I want you to declare it and decree it. But you have to walk by faith, believing that what you're speaking will come to fruition. My brothers, my sisters, on today, I want you to walk in confidence, knowing who you are and who you belong to. Your season is about to change. Don't give up now. Don't throw in the towel. Hang in there. Your season is about to change. God bless you on today. Have a wonderful day. Walk in knowing that your season is about to change.